Have you ever pondered the sheer power and complexity of intercontinental ballistic missiles, such as the Russian RS-28 Sarmat? This behemoth of military technology, often referred to by its ominous nickname Satan II, is a marvel to behold. Envisioned by the minds of Russian engineers, the RS-28 Sarmat is a testament to the advancements in modern warfare. This missile is no ordinary weapon. With its staggering operational range of over 10,000 kilometers, it holds the power to reach virtually any corner of the globe. Its mass, a colossal 200 metric tons, and its speed, a breathtaking Mach 20, only add to its formidable reputation. The RS-28 Sarmat is more than just its impressive stats. It's a symbol of military prowess, a testament to human ingenuity, and a chilling reminder of the destructive power that lies in our hands. Now that we've introduced the RS-28 Sarmat, let's delve into the technical details of how this missile actually works. At the heart of any missile lies its engine and the propellant, the driving forces behind its fearsome speed and range. For the RS-28 Sarmat, or Satan II as it's commonly known, these core components are what make it one of the most formidable intercontinental ballistic missiles in the world. The RS-28 Sarmat is powered by a two-stage liquid propellant engine. In the first stage, the engine ignites the propellant, generating a high-pressure and high-temperature gas. This gas is then directed out of the nozzle, propelling the missile skyward with a force that defies gravity. The propellant itself is a combination of unsymmetrical dimethylhydrazine and nitrogen tetroxide, a highly reactive mix that ignites upon contact, ensuring a reliable and immediate start. The second stage of the engine then takes over, propelling the missile to its top speed and enabling it to cover immense distances. This combination of engine power and propellant efficiency is what makes the RS-28 Sarmat a truly formidable weapon. Now that we understand what propels the RS-28 Sarmat, let's talk about what guides it. A missile without a guidance system is like a ship without a rudder, directionless and ineffective. Now let's delve into the intricacies of the guidance system of the RS-28 Sarmat, or as it's more ominously known, the Satan II. The guidance system of the Satan II is a marvel of modern technology. It integrates both inertial and astro-inertial navigation systems. In layman's terms, it uses the stars and the Earth's rotation to pinpoint its location, ensuring unerring accuracy. This system is so advanced that it can guide the missile to its target, even if that target is thousands of miles away. Moreover, the system is designed to withstand electronic warfare and countermeasures. That means it's not easily jammed or fooled, making it a reliable weapon in the most challenging of scenarios. This guidance system isn't just a piece of fancy tech, it's the brain of the missile, directing it towards its target with precision and accuracy. With the guidance system directing the missile, let's explore what makes the RS-28 Sarmat so devastating. The true terror of a missile lies in its warhead and the launch platform that enables its deployment. The RS-28 Sarmat, colloquially known as Satan II, carries a warhead that is as fearsome as its nickname suggests. This behemoth houses a payload of up to 10 heavy warheads or 16 lighter ones, with a combined yield that dwarfs the destructive power of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Each warhead is independently targetable, meaning that one launched missile could potentially strike multiple targets. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But that's not all. The Sarmat also has room for countermeasures, devices designed to confuse enemy missile defense systems. These can include decoys that mimic the radar signature of the actual warheads, making it incredibly difficult for a defense system to identify and intercept the real threat. Now let's talk about the launch platform. This missile, like others in its class, is launched from a silo. This is a fortified underground facility that houses the missile before launch. The silo provides protection from enemy attacks and the elements. When the command is given, the missile is ejected from the silo using a gas generator before its engines ignite and it roars into the sky. The silo-based launch platform provides a number of advantages. First, it's harder for enemies to detect and destroy. Second, it allows for rapid response times as the missile can be launched at a moment's notice. Finally, it allows the missile to be launched from virtually any point within the vast expanse of Russia. So, there you have it. The RS-28 Sarmat's warhead, coupled with its silo-based launch platform, makes this missile a weapon of devastating capability. It's a combination of destructive power, defensive countermeasures, and flexible deployment that makes the Sarmat a force to be reckoned with. The RS-28 Sarmat, a missile that combines extreme speed, pinpoint accuracy, and immense destructive power, truly is a beast of ballistic technology.